What are you doing?
Holding the chicken?
You're holding the chicken?
Yes.
It's a baby chicken.
It is a baby chicken.
These baby chicks are actually, let's see, they were hatched on Wednesday and today is Saturday. So they are actually, how many days?
8 more days. 6 more days.
No.
100 more days.
How more days? Okay. So anyway, these were hatched on Wednesday and Timber has them. And this is where they are with the heat lamp. And in the heat lamp, look at the thermometer there. The thermometer reads 90, and that's what it needs to be for the first week. 90 degrees every single time.
Baby chicks,
And then the next week,
down. Isn't that crazy?
yeah, it is crazy. And then the next week, you'll have to reduce it by 5 degrees, and so on and so on. And this is where they will come and eat and drink. So we're gonna open up, and this is the feed, and right here is the water. And here, as you can see, there's a little tiny hole that we've closed with a piece of paper. So we're gonna take that out, and the baby chicks will start coming in. Come on, guys. Come on. There they are. Come on.
Take a picture of me, Dad?
I did. Look. They're coming out.
Dad, oh, you're stuck in there.
Okay. Don't lean on that one. Okay. Here they are. As you can see, they're now eating their food. They love eating. One by one, they're rushing in.
Dad, they're drinking. They love the drink.
All right. So that is the end of the day.